So if you want to set yourself apart from the competition and impress the realtors and make their life a whole lot easier, let me take you into Photoshop right now and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. All right, so here's an aerial photograph I took of a listing not too long ago, and the point of this photo was to show the proximity to this lake right here. But if you're not familiar with this listing, you're probably wondering, well, which house are we talking about? All right, so once you have your drone photo, load it into Photoshop, you're going to come up to File and come down to Place Embed. And here it is, yellow house marker. You just got to find this wherever it is on your desktop or wherever you save it. For me, it's on my desktop, and you're going to click Place. So once the icon is loaded into Photoshop, it's going to have the markers already on it. I'm just going to grab the top here and just pull it down. You don't want to make it too big and gaudy, so we're just going to put it right over the house. We don't want to have it touching the house, and that is it. All you're going to do is come over here, right-click, and flatten image, and either save it. If you brought this in from Lightroom, it's automatically going to bring it back into Lightroom once you save it, or you can just save as and name it what you want. But doesn't that look so much better? So there you go. This is not only going to save the realtor time because they might have to do this after, or it's going to impress them because they're not going to know how to do this. And if you're offering services like this, not only are you offering drone services, but you're offering graphic overlays and things like that, that's just going to make you stand out from the rest of the competition. And realtors are really going to appreciate you doing the little things like this to help them sell that listing. I hope this helped you. Leave a comment below if you have any issues with downloading that, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.